Hey friends, how are y'all doing? In today's hack, we are going to do something which will come in use for everyone out there, especially those parents or teachers who are struggling with the kids when they have to flip over their pages or go to another book, and then after that they lose the page that was open in the other book. You know, that kind of confusion. Yes, this is all going to be sorted out in this episode. So stay tuned and enjoy the episode as we go around with this hack. Here, as you can see, I have taken a square shaped paper, exact equal 4 edges, corners of the paper, and then you could use any color of your choice. What I would do is the corners of it, the pointed edges, I will join them together to meet in this way and fold it at the center like I'm doing here. Once I am done with this fold, you have to open it up, and the same thing you'll do on the other side. Hold the pointed sides together and fold it. Then again, what you would do is, instead of opening the full thing up, just one flap of it, you will fold it exactly into half, where the corner touches at the top end. And then open that flap up and fold the other sides, closed sides of the triangle facing downwards in this way. This fold I am doing is because it will be easier to fold later on. That's why I am doing it prior. Open up the flaps. You'll have something like this shape. Open up these folded flaps, the corner ones, and the same fold what you had done earlier, fold it, then fold the side over here and bend the open end inwards. The same thing you do on the other side, fold it and bend the extra portion inwards. Fold it inwards and secure the fold by folding it nicely. And I am just tightening the fold. So if this is the book that you are reading, or anyone's reading any book, just take your bookmark and place it on the corner in this way. So if you're an adult, I'm sure you wouldn't seek for much of a design. So in case you have bookmarked it at this place, it's very easy to find out on the corners, and just remove it out this way. You can use it in either of the ways, upside or downside. You can use it back or front. Now in case a child is using this, if you need to use this for your children, what you could do is, if you all have a sticker, you all can place their favorite sticker on top of this as a design. Here I have done the same thing on a white paper, and I have just designed it. What you all can do is, I am making a donut shape. If you are having firm steady hands, you all can cut this shape downside into a curve in this way. If not, you all can draw a line with the pencil and cut it, whichever you all find it easier. So there, I'm done with the shape. Now even the top side, I already have a line that I need to follow the curve, so I will cut it on that portion itself. And once I am done cutting, this is how it is going to be looking. What I could do is, I would color the down portion, and this is what I have. Now I will just make like a sprinkles kind of design, you know, just standing lines here and there in different directions. Small tiny standing lines, how sprinkles look. Or y'all can make tiny circles, whatever y'all feel would look nice. So I'll show you what it looks at the end of this. See, it looks very cute, delicious, yummy. My daughter actually liked this and she was like, I want to design one by myself. So in case if you have a book in your hand, so you can try this in this way. Just put it on top like this. On white it is not really visible, however from the corners you can make out where the bookmark is. So this is how it looks. Now just a quick one, this is a pizza kind of look. Tried that out. Y'all can try out doing different kind of designs, whatever your children like or enjoy, the cartoon characters. Here, these are the different kind of designs I have tried out. Friends, I hope that you all have enjoyed today's hack, and most of all, I hope that it will come in use for many of y'all out there. I know for sure because I keep juggling with my kids book, whenever she shifts from one book to another and she closes the other book, and I'm lost between pages. Again, I have to keep turning it around. Even if you leave a scale inside or a pencil inside, it still gets jumbled up. So I have come up with this hack. So of course it is known, it has been there, but this is my method of solving the current issue that I am facing with the switching on and off of books. So do let me know if you all found this hack useful, and leave in your comments. I certainly love reading comments that come from y'all, and thank you for all the love and support that you all show, as always, in different kind of ways, by messaging me personally, by giving in your comments, by letting me know how was my hack. And for those who are new visitors, as always, it's a sincere request, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to get updates on all my upcoming hacks. I'll see you next time, friends, with another new episode. Till then, bye from me.